everyone, welcome back to my Learn Easy Maths channel. Hi friends and viewers and my dear students. As you know that in my previous video which I have started a series regarding knowing quadratic equation, its introduction. So in that video I discussed some of the important points related to the quadratic equation. Like that, what is a quadratic equation? An equation which expressed in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we call it is a quadratic equation. What are a, b, c? A, b, c are called real numbers. Conditional, it is a must not be equal to 0 in quadratic equation. What is a? The a is called the coefficient of x square. What is b? The b is called the coefficient of x. C is it's a constant term. Okay. And now in that video I have discussed this also, that how to solve the quadratic equation. The general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. And how to solve? I told you there are three main types to solve the quadratic equation. What are those? The first type is, the first method we can solve and find the roots of the equation by factorization method. We have to take the coefficient and constant product and we have to find the factors such a way by adding or subtracting we should get the coefficient of x. Then we can factorize it, we can take the common, equate it to the 0 and we find the roots of the equation. The second important what we can say that the method is completing square method. That means a given quadratic equation, it should be written in the form of a complete square. Then we have to just find the roots. That also the step I told you, that take the coefficient of x square, divide the whole equation and take the coefficient of x, multiply with half, then you square it. What the product you get after squaring, add and subtract and so on. Those who have not watched my previous video, please go to that playlist. You will find that the knowing the quadratic equation part 1. Now today I am going to discuss that what is the formula and how to derive the formula. What is the formula method and how to derive the formula method. How to deduce the formula. Which formula? This quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the same completing square method, and there is another method is called the multiplying the coefficient of x with 4a. The multiplying the coefficient of x with 4a. That is the thing. Now divide the whole equation, the coefficient of x square, that is a. A is divided by a, b is divided by a, c is divided by a. Now a cancel because they both are common terms. What is the new form of this equation? And it takes a new form, x square plus b by a into x plus c by a, it is equal to 0. Okay. Now completing square method, as I told you, you just move ahead with this one. First take the coefficient of x, that is b by a, multiply with half, 1 by 2. What is the product you obtain? B by 2a. Square this product, you get which is equal to b square by 4a square. What do you get? B square by 4a square. Then what is the third step? You should keep on recalling while watching my video. You should remember that what is being discussed in our previous one. This b square by 4 square should be added and subtracted. Here I am going to add x square plus b by a into x plus b square by 4a square, then subtract b square by 4a square plus c by a, which is equal to 0. Alright. So here we had 3 terms. Now it is being just increased and 2 more terms, that is plus b square by 4a square minus 4b square by 4a square. I group this all positive as ones. Okay, I group all positive as one group, that is x square plus b by ax plus b square by 4a square, and this one is another group. For the understanding purpose I am saying this one. You have to make complete square. Complete square means a plus b whole square form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So for that reason I take a trick that x square is x, next sign is plus, what is the coefficient of x? B by a, and after multiplying with half, what do we obtain? We got b by 2a. Write that product b by 2a here and you square it whole square. This is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. When you expand you get this one. So for example, x plus b by 2a whole square. You just assume this is a plus b whole square. A square is x square plus 2, a is x and b is b by 2a. Okay, b by 2a plus then b square is b square by 4a square. You are going to see the same thing, 2 to cancel, x square plus b by a into x, b by ax plus b square by 4a square. Similarly, after squaring this, these two terms are here, no. This you should shift it to or transpose it to the right side, then minus will take the plus form and plus will take the minus form, isn't it? When it comes from, when it shifted from, transform from the left side to the right hand side, every term changes its sign. The next, x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, take the LCM of 4a square and a, in a denominator you get 4a square, 4a square ones are 4a square ones are 1, so it is multiplied with what? B square ones are, it is a b square, minus a into 4a square. When you just take it 4a square divided by a get cancelled, 4a into c, it is 4ac. When you take this denominator and you just simplify with this LCM, you get 1, and you take this a denominator and simplify with this LCM, you get 4a. Now the next step is x plus b divided by 2a is equal to, here the square is removed. The mathematical law or rule says that when the square is removed from the left side, it will be applied as a square root to the right side. Now this will come, putting its sign plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Okay, now I continue by putting the margin here. I hope you are all watching carefully. X plus b by 2a, x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus, see that b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square, it remain under the root only, b square minus 4ac under root divided by, what is the square root of 4a square? The square root of 4 is 2 and a square is a, so it will be a 2a, right? Now I want the value x because we have to find the roots of the equation that is in the form of x. So therefore x is equal to, again I told you, no, plus b by 2a is shifted to the right side, it becomes minus b by 2a plus or minus, it is under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is minus b by 2a plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. We have a common denominator for both these terms, 2a, and it will be minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. This is our quadratic equation formula, which usually we use and we just follow and apply while finding the roots of the equation. I hope you followed this one. Without any further delay, I would like to solve the problem using the formula method. Okay, first one, 3x square plus 5x, okay, plus 6 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. Then it is a general form. It can be written as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare what is a. A is equal to 3. What is B? B is equal to plus 5. What is C? C is equal to plus 6. Alright. Then you write the formula. What is X is equal to minus B plus or minus B square minus 4AC by 2A. That's all formula, particularly in mathematics. When we use the formula and when we solve the problems, we don't have to do anything, just we will be moving in the solution as a mechanical way. Just it is a mechanic. Put the values, plus it, minus it, divide it, shift it, left side to LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS. We don't have any logical reasoning here because already it is known, it is established one, so we are proceeding, that's all. Okay, so X is equal to, what is B? 5 minus 5, because minus B, plus or minus under root of B square 5 square minus 4, A is 3, C is 6. Okay, so this is the way. 5 whole square minus 4, A is 3 and B, C is 6, divided by 2 into A is 3, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus, it is 25. 4 3s are 12, 12 6 are 72, minus 72 divided by 6, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus, so 25 minus 72, how much it is? See that it will be equal to minus 47, minus 47 divided by 6, minus 47 divided by 6. This is the roots of the equation we have it. Okay, X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 72. 72 is a bigger number. When you subtract it, it is 7 and it is 47. Minus 47 divided by 6. This is the way that how we use the formula and how we find the roots of the equation. With this, I am going to just conclude my today's video, and in my next part of the video we will discuss the nature of the roots of the equation plus one more method, that how to derive the same formula using that method. With this one I am going to end up, and once again I make an appeal to you all viewers, my friends, my students, everyone and my well-wishers. Subscribe it, then press the bell icon, then you have to share it and you watch it again and again so that you will become perfect in it. With this one, take care, study well and be happy. Thank you.